You have to work for 9 hours. Your day will end at 7 o'clock, some days 8 o'clock. Be aware that taxes will be deducted. So, whatever you get as the CTC, that won't be your in hand salary.
हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप सब? आई नो यू हैव मिस्ड द मेगा हिट शो अ लॉट, और हमने भी आपकी डिमांड पूरी करने के लिए इस बार वी हैव कम अप विद येट अनदर अमेजिंग पर्सनालिटी एंड एन अमेजिंग 2023 पास आउट फ्रॉम ट्रिपल आईटी भुवनेश्वर, एंड शी इज नन अदर दैन मिस नशा अग्रवाल. She hails from the IT branch, and currently she is employed as a software development engineer at Healthineers Siemens. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Hello, Dee.
Hi. Hi, Adyasha. How are you?
Hello, Dee. Yeah, I'm good, Dee. So, it's just a pleasure having you here.
Oh,
And of course, 2023 pass out, so it feels very near and very close. As such, and I'm so excited to interact with you today. So, starting with the obvious curiosity, just ke liye I was waiting till yet. That how is your life at your job place? What do you exactly do? And what is the scope of your role, skills? And of course, I would ask the remuneration.
sure. So, starting by my job role, I'm currently working as a software development engineer at Siemens Healthineers, but mostly
Okay.
my work field is GenAI. So you must have heard of AIs and LLMs and ChatGPT everywhere. It is everywhere now. So basically,
Yep.
I work as a GenAI developer. We have a center of competence here in Siemens Healthineers, so I work there.
Okay, Dee. And talking about the skills, the scope, and of course the remuneration, उसके बारे में आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे? How's
So
life at Healthy News?
yeah, so basically, life at Healthineers during the internship, it was like very nice merry-go-round. You didn't have to work so much. Then, as you start like your full-time job, it gets a bit tough. You have to work for 9 hours. Like, it doesn't matter if you start at 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock, you have to work for 9 hours. Your day will end at 7 o'clock, some days 8 o'clock. So that's it about the work duration. Then remuneration, be aware that taxes will be deducted. So whatever you get as the CTC, that won't be your in-hand salary.
Acha, okay. So seems like this is as hard as fun,
Yeah.
but yeah, it's good. It sounds interesting. Okay, now coming on to the internships, जिसके बारे आपने बोला.
Yeah.
So you have gone to many aspects, and multidimensionally you have been at Human Potential Development Science Trust, Let's Grow More, and then Siemens.
Yeah.
So how was that staircase for you, and how did you get to all of these? How did you snag these opportunities? And yeah, the first hand question for from my side will be कि लाइक हम लोग पहले फर्स्ट इंटर्नशिप के लिए यही होता है सबके माइंड में कि इंटर्नशिप करनी है, पैसे कमाना है, जस्ट टू अफोर्ड लग्जरी. इज दैट अ गुड मोटिवेशन? इज दैट सेगमेंट अ गुड टू ऑफर? अदरवाइज दैट्स अनदर पूल दैट प्रेफर्स कि नहीं, उस स्किल को बहुत डेप्थ में सीखना है, इतने डेप्थ में कि ऑफ कोर्स द रिक्रूटर वुड बी वेरी हैप्पी कि हाँ इसके पास इतना स्किल है तो ले लो. सो विच साइड डू यू प्रेफर?
So for me, it was like to develop my skills. So firstly,
Okay.
मैंने Let's Grow More में internship की. That was because सब internship कर रहे थे and मेरे पास कुछ नहीं था. So
Okay.
then I joined HPDS through an acquaintance. So वहाँ पर since it was a startup, तो basically like हमें सब कुछ scratch से build करना पड़ा. Even requirements were not clear. तो calls पे रह के requirements समझो and then उस पे act करो. So that was a new thing which I learned. And वो जॉब में मुझे हेल्प भी कर रहा है.
Okay, that's very good to know. Okay, the especially जब फर्स्ट इंटर्नशिप की बात आती है,
Right.
it's not easy to bag, you know.
Yeah.
So how to handle the rejection, the constant rejection कि आपको internship नहीं मिल रही, especially your first one.
So you don't have to be that sad if you don't get the internship. Just like सोचो कि आगे भी बहुत सारे मौके आएंगे एंड कीप डेवलपिंग योर स्किल्स सो दैट यू नो दैट यू विल ग्रैब एन इंटर्नशिप. कोई रिक्रूटर रिजेक्ट ना कर सके.
Okay. So basically skills पे ज़्यादा focus करना चाहिए.
Yes.
And of course luxury तो आनी ही है उसके बाद.
हाँ, if you have the skills then
Okay. Okay, so okay, the next thing I would ask you that मैंने जैसा आपका resume देखा था, so your skills were mostly like concentrated around web dev and data science and analytics. So these are very vivid kind of skills.
Yeah.
So इसमें what was your favorite one? किससे आपको वो feeling आई थी कि 25 दिन में पैसा डबल हो जाएगा, like that kind of a feeling? And what made you feel like your placement ready or college में actually when you spill the beans की placement में क्या होता है and how does it all take up and what was that skill that got you to the placements?
so like as it is the case with everyone, मैंने web development के साथ start किया, basic HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and then when you go for a framework like Angular या library like React तो थोड़ा complex होने लगती है चीज़ें and you'll start losing interest. So वही केस था मेरे साथ भी. I left it in the middle. Then मुझे interest आया data analytics में. So मैंने Python किया and then Tableau थोड़ा सा किया. After that मुझे लगा that data analytics alone can't get me anywhere. So I started with ML. So linear regression पे मैंने course किया and I was studying ML.
Okay, so it was your general shift of interest जिससे कि आपने explore किया. Okay, it was that thing.
Yeah.
And talking about the placements का आपको क्या कहना है? Like when you spill the beans, you're still so unaware क्या होता है actually?
So placements में like मेरे साथ भी हुआ था. शुरू में कोई टेस्ट क्लियर नहीं होंगे, then you get demotivated कि यार क्यों सिलेक्शन नहीं हो रहा है, क्यों मैं इंटरव्यू नहीं दे पा रही हूँ.
Exactly.
But you have to hold on, interviews आएंगे. मेरे केस में it was just one interview. So I don't have much experience with interview, but test का मुझे काफ़ी experience है. And test में ये मत सोचना कि तुम अकेले कर लोगे.
Okay, exactly. Okay, so it's just maintaining the consistency and having the patience.
Yeah.
Along with your skill development.
Yeah.
Okay, that's so nice to hear, Dee. And now, okay, बहुत हो गया coding वाला part. Let's come to your college life. So how were you as a college student? Of course, the nation wants to know आपका attendance कैसा था.
So basically हम ये बैच है जो फर्स्ट ईयर कॉलेज आए. सेकेंड एंड थर्ड ईयर वॉज कोविड एंड देन प्लेसमेंट के टाइम में डायरेक्टली हमें कॉलेज में घुसा दिया गया अगेन. सो फर्स्ट ईयर वॉज लाइक हाँ कॉलेज जाना है, क्लासेस जाने हैं, अटेंड करने हैं, ओके. एंड फोर्थ ईयर सिंस देयर वाज प्लेसमेंट तो जब तक तो प्लेसमेंट नहीं होती है इवन द प्रोफेसर्स गिव यू लाइक यू कैन बंक क्लासेस. बट आफ्टर दैट दे make it mandatory to attend the classes, जो कि मैंने नहीं किया था, of course. So even after placement I was bunking classes and हमें तो डराया भी गया था कि we will check the date of your placement and it should match and after that if you have not come then your attendance will be deducted. So advice रहेगा कि placement के बाद चले जाना classes वरना दिक्कत हो सकती है.
Okay, so that's a nice piece of advice. So guys, ऐसा हमें पता चलता है कि placement तक ही बात नहीं रुकती, उसके बाद भी classes attend करनी होती है until you get your degree.
Yeah.
Of course. Okay, भाई. And what was your plan in college? Like कुछ सोचा होगा आपने कि college में ऐसे करना है, ये सीखना है, वो बनना है. So what was your plan?
So like फर्स्ट ईयर में जब सब आते हैं तो सबको लगता है फर्स्ट ईयर तो एंजॉय करने के लिए हमें कुछ पढ़ना नहीं है. एंड देन एज यू गेट इन सेकेंड ईयर you start getting serious कि हाँ अब तो कुछ करना होगा, कोडिंग करनी होगी या वेब डेव सीखना होगा, ऐप डेव सीखना होगा या फिर ML में जाना होगा. एंड यू गेट कंफ्यूज कि क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट कि एक बात पिक करो एंड डीप डाइव इनटू इट एंड हैव नॉलेज लाइक सरफेस नॉलेज ऑफ द अदर्स. सो ये रहेगा. एंड मैंने भी प्लान किया था कि बहुत कुछ सीखूंगी लाइक फुल स्टैक एंड ऑल, बट डू एज मच एज पॉसिबल. ऐसा नहीं कि खुद को प्रेशर करके करना है, बट जितना हो सके करो, मोटिवेटेड रखो खुद को.
एंड ओके दी, जैसा आपने बोला कि it's important to learn the skills उनके surface level पे भी. And I think this is brought about best by projects.
Yeah.
As I saw through your resume, आपके projects बहुत impressive थे. And मैंने एक चीज़ notice की कि आपके जो existing skills थे, आपने उनको use करके best projects बनाए थे, rather than going for a variety of skills.
Yeah.
जो कि ज़्यादातर लोग ऐसे गलती कर देते हैं और फिर projects अच्छे नहीं बना पाते. So, effective resume building के लिए, what would you suggest? How should your resume look like, and what kind of projects should we opt for?
So basically, you should have a basic front-end project, that's a must. If it's a full stack, that's great. So, and skills अपने resume में वही mention करना जो तुमने projects में किए हो. Because when you do a project, you learn. So, you have idea, you will be asked questions on it, so तुम answer कर पाओगे. So basically, pick a project which you want, learn the technology, and उसको resume में डालो.
Okay, so this should be done against हम जितने certifications लिख देते हैं, and practically it's just what is HTML kind of a Googler in reality. So वैसे नहीं बनना. So we have to actually, according to you, incorporate all those skills जो कि आपने projects में actually use किए हो.
Yeah,
right?
because ताकि project में just mention हो, and when the interview asks you a question like कि ये project में तुमने ये कैसे handle किया और तुम नहीं बता पाओगे. So that should not be the case.
Okay, so we should be very practically clear about our projects.
Yeah.
And we should be able to like totally 360 degree in a 360 manner, able to be like explain it to the recruiter.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
And
okay, Di, after all this valuable piece.
Yeah, and one piece of advice कि group projects भी करना, not always solo projects, because उस पे हाँ उसके according interview पे impression अच्छा पड़ता है.
Okay, so group projects are also helpful.
Yeah, because
like,
then you can demonstrate teamwork.
Okay. So then you participate in kind of hackathons or something as a part of the group projects?
So we had this TEL hackathon for the internship. You must have heard of it, right?
Okay.
So I was part of that hackathon and I participated in it. So I could show that in my resume as well, because that was a group project.
Okay, so as such projects में अगर it would be a group project, so it also helps you bring a good impact on your resume as well. Makes sense. Okay, so after gathering all this cluster of knowledge from your side, and it's such a good experience having you. So the last question that I would ask you is like, it's very personal also. कभी-कभी वो FOMO feel होता है कि कुछ नहीं हो रहा हमसे, and the peers are getting ahead. And how do I proceed with my college life? And we are just stuck at some moment. Maybe first year, second, third, or even fourth. So what will be your piece of advice to juniors like me so that we can actually get to do something in a good manner, like justify the degree, to be honest?
So one piece of advice would be, it's never late to get started. तो जब भी तुमको लगे कि I'm being left behind, स्टार्ट करो पढ़ना. यू कैन डू इट. वही है कि कभी मत फील करना कि नहीं हो पाएगा, मैंने बहुत लेट से स्टार्ट किया, सब आगे निकल चुके हैं. तुम कभी भी स्टार्ट करो, यू कैन कैच अप विद द अदर्स.
Okay. And how to handle that feeling that you feel that you are not made for this thing, you are not made for the branch, the subjects that you are experiencing currently. What if you are not able to be able to sync with it? How do you handle that?
So if it feels better, then सबको वही लगता है. सबको लगता है कि मुझसे नहीं होगा, मैं नहीं कर सकता या कर सकती. बट अल्टीमेटली इफ यू डिसाइड कि मुझे करना है तो तुम कर पाओगे. इवन जब सेमेस्टर एग्जाम्स होते हैं तो हमने पूरे साल कुछ नहीं पढ़ा है, बट हाउ डू वी प्रिपेयर फॉर द एग्जाम? लास्ट मोमेंट में ही करते हैं ना. वो तो इंजीनियरिंग का ही फंडा है कि लास्ट
दैट इंजीनियरिंग स्किल सुपर पावर
कि लास्ट नाइट पे प्रिपेयर करके करना है.
Okay, so officially podcast में आज secret reveal हो चुका है. Yeah, how do we prepare for semesters as engineers? Okay, that was lovely having you, and that was a fun convo with you, and I also got to know valuable things from your side. So guys, as they said, it's never late to start. You can always catch up from somewhere and land somewhere else. So like, be patient, be consistent, and look up to what she said and what she advised about your technical skills, about your resume, and everything in general. As she mentioned, group projects कीजिए, individual projects कीजिए, and highlight only those skills which will be there in your project, so that आप उसका everything, उसके सारे multidimensional aspects अच्छे से समझा पाएं. So with this piece of advice and with this happy note, you're ending this podcast. Thank you.
Thank you.